Here. This is Lily, my granddaughter. She's got a little bug eye going on. She wants some lipstick like her mama. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. That's all for mama. There we go. Uh-huh.
You got one. You got it in your teeth.
In your teeth?
You forgot.
That's all right.
Okay.
That's all right. This is Lily.
Okay.
And this is mama.
Right.
Mm-hmm. We're
Okay.
pretty, aren't we?
How are we talking to Mira?
Aren't we pretty, Lily?
Yes.
Mwah. That's how we pop it here at 24 Hour Door. Mwah.
Can you see my teeth?
Let me see your eyes.
Hmm?
Let me see your eyes.
I can't.
There you are. Hello, Lily. Hello, Lily. It's Lily. Lily's here. Take a look at Lily. Take a look at Lily. Here she is.